Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an essential topic to discuss: judicial review. If you've ever wondered what it is and how to apply for it, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Judicial review is a legal process that allows individuals or organizations to challenge the lawfulness of decisions made by public authorities or government bodies. It is a way to hold those in power accountable for their actions and decisions. What are the grounds for judicial review? There are several grounds on which you can seek a judicial review. Some common grounds include errors in law, procedural irregularities, irrationality, and decisions that breach human rights. Who can apply for judicial review? Any person or organization directly affected by a public authority's decision can apply for judicial review. This includes individuals, businesses, NGOs, and even public interest groups. Time limit for application: it's crucial to act promptly. In most cases, you must apply for judicial review within 3 months of the decision you wish to challenge. However, there may be exceptions, so it's best to seek legal advice early on. Pre-action protocol: before applying for judicial review, you must follow the pre-action protocol. This involves writing a formal letter to the relevant public authority, outlining your concerns and requesting them to reconsider their decision. Seeking legal advice: applying for judicial review can be complex, so seeking legal advice is highly recommended. A solicitor with expertise in public law can assess your case and guide you through the process. Applying for permission: to proceed with judicial review, you first need to apply for permission from the court. This involves submitting a written application detailing your grounds for review and providing relevant evidence. Permission hearing: if your application for permission is successful, a permission hearing will be scheduled. Here, a judge will decide whether your case has sufficient merit to proceed to a full judicial review hearing. Full judicial review hearing: if your case passes the permission stage, a full judicial review hearing will take place. This is where the court will consider all arguments and evidence presented by both parties. Possible outcomes: the court may uphold the decision being challenged, quash it, or require the public authority to reconsider their decision, taking into account the court's ruling. Costs: it's essential to be aware of the potential costs involved in applying for judicial review. Legal aid may be available in some cases to cover legal expenses. Conclusion: and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to judicial review and how to apply for it. Remember, seeking legal advice and acting promptly are crucial steps in this process. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who may benefit from this information. Subscribe to our channel for more valuable content, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.